Quick 59 Chevy update. We are starting to head down the hill. I drove this car for the first time in 15 months 2 nights ago, and then drove it again yesterday. I haven't driven it today, but we're going to drive it some more. It's going to the upholstery shop next week to get the headliner, package tray, and any more little knick-knack things that needs to be done. Rear seats and door panels are all put together and covered. The front seat is covered and in, as you can see. Dash is all put back together. We've got the stereo, everything works. New carpet, all new hush mat been put down. Was able to go ahead and install the dual snorkel air cleaner, so was happy about that. Of course, we're still, the new re-chrome front bumper is ready to pick up or be shipped here. They called and let me know about that today, and about 1/3 of the stainless trim has been refinished from Brown's Metal Finishing in Spartanburg, South Carolina. They've done a really fine job on that. Real happy with how all that came out. This trim was in terrible shape. There's still a thing or two that I wish I'd have had some better pieces, and had I known that, I would have took the pieces I had from junkyards and stuff in replacement of what I used. These actually are the aftermarket taillight bezels. They polished those up, turned out pretty nice. For the first time since I've owned this car, all the lights work correctly. Signals, brake lights, nothing's jumped, nothing's hot wired. Car has all new wiring. The body is currently cut to 1500 grit, so I'm still letting that cure out as long as I can. Door handles, I thought I had new door handles. They sent me 1960 door handles, and I cannot find 59. I don't understand that. So we're gonna roll with those for now, I guess. Just got something to get in the car. But anyway, I just wanted to do a quick update. Wheels, tires is gonna stay the same for now. Just way too expensive to go the original white wall route at this point in time. So we're gonna stick with the Corvette rallies for a good while, looks like. I added all that up and I'm like, nope, not anyway soon. 58 steering wheel horn ring, 58 style two-tone steering wheel. Just a few little changes that I made. So anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see y'all next time. Restoration inquiries in the video description. One more thing I was going to show you is the underhood installation. And I'll have to get the name of that company and tell you about that later. But nice underhood installation. So we're at July of 2024. See you next time. Quick update.